On her third day under cross-examination, the complainant known as EM faced questioning from Carter Hart's defense lawyer, who brought up the fact that EM is now engaged to the same boyfriend she was with at the time of the alleged sexual assaults. Hart's lawyer, Megan Savard, suggested that if EM were to admit she was an active participant in group sex with hockey players, it would have been a relationship-ending event. EM maintained she told her boyfriend what happened and left it up to him to decide. Criminal defense lawyer Nick Cake, who's not involved in this case, says bringing up her boyfriend could be a defense strategy.
One of the concepts in cross-examination is to try and push out any motive to potentially be telling something that may not be the truth.
Alex Fermenton, Cal Foote, Michael McLeod, Dylan Dubé, and Hart have pleaded not guilty to sexually assaulting the complainant in a London hotel room in 2018, while McLeod has also pleaded not guilty to a second charge of being a party to sexual assault. The Crown specifically alleges Hart obtained oral sex from EM without her consent. But Savard said in 2018, EM initially misidentified two men she said she performed oral sex on. EM agreed she had a hard time distinguishing between the men because a lot of them looked alike. Savard also compared statements EM made to police in 2018 to a 2022 statement to Hockey Canada, where EM agreed there were some inconsistencies. She said she didn't know the importance of the 2022 statement, thinking it was just part of an internal investigation with Hockey Canada.
And so if a lawyer is pointing out, you said X right now, but previously you described that as Y, then clearly that would be an inconsistent statement, and that would allow the lawyers to make submissions on her credibility.
Savard also questioned EM about her, quote, performance that night. EM said she felt she had to participate in a porn scene as her mind was disconnected from her body. She rejected Savard's suggestion that regardless of what she was feeling, she was acting in a way that made the men in the room think she was consenting. After Savard rests, EM is expected to be cross-examined by Fermenton, Dubé, and Foote's respective legal teams. At the London Superior Court of Justice, Michelle Mackey, City News.